Welcome to my channel. Today we will be talking about how to close a Fidelity Investment account. Closing your Fidelity account requires you to take a few steps. The first and most important is to bring your account balance to zero. This means you need to sell or transfer all of your assets. You can't close an account that has a balance, even if it's just a few dollars. If you have any investments, you need to sell them and wait for the funds to settle, which can take a few business days. Another option is to transfer your entire portfolio to another brokerage firm. Once your account has a zero balance, you can initiate the closure. For a simple brokerage or cash management account, you can often use the Fidelity Virtual Assistant on their website or app. Just type "Close my account" and follow the prompts. For other account types, such as retirement accounts like an IRA or a 401k, the process is different and you will need to call Fidelity directly. You should have your account information ready for verification. Fidelity generally does not charge a fee to close a standard brokerage account. However, there might be fees for transferring assets to another institution. Once you have zeroed out your account and submitted your request, the closure process typically takes a few business days. With that being said, thank you for watching. For more finance videos, kindly check my page. Please like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.